Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be making best stuffed mushrooms. I had a viewer that was asking me if I would make a stuffed mushroom recipe. So here it is. You'll need 12 ounces of medium-sized white mushrooms, 6 tablespoons of salted butter, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1/4 teaspoon salt or to taste, 3/4 cups plain breadcrumbs, 1/3 cup grated Parmesan cheese, and 1 tablespoon fresh parsley finely chopped. So let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to take your mushroom and clean it. And I'm just using a paper towel to get the dirt off. You don't want to get the mushroom too wet because they have a lot of water in them and it'll just make it soggy. And then pat it dry and break off the stem. And a lot of recipes call for you to use the stem, chop them up and put them back into the mushroom, but it holds a lot of water, so it'll make your mushrooms more soggy. So save them for another use or just discard them. Then after you clean them, put them on your baking sheet, cap side up. So heat up your 6 tablespoons of butter until just melted, and take a basting brush and brush the caps of the mushrooms with the butter. Then after you do that, then you just flip the caps back, cap side down. Preheat the oven to 375. All right, so get a bowl, dump in the remainder of your butter, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and mix well. Now a lot of stuffed mushrooms have ingredients such as cream cheese or crab, but this one's just going to have breadcrumbs and butter and seasoning in it. Is it actually the best? I don't know. I've never made this one before. Okay, next you're going to go ahead and take your 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs and dump in there and mix it with a rubber spatula until the breadcrumbs are thoroughly saturated. It smells really good. I can smell the garlic in it. Garlic and butter are good for most anything. And next we'll take our 1/3 cup grated Parmesan cheese and the 1 tablespoon finely chopped fresh parsley and stir it to combine. And then we want to go ahead and take our mushrooms, get a little spoon, and just put them in there. You want to pack them in there, but don't overpack them. And try to do it without making a mess. But it's not me if I don't make a mess. Okay, I'll go ahead and finish that up. All right, so the easiest way I found to do it, take your mushroom and stick your stuffing in there. I don't have a real small spoon. And then just kind of pack it down with my thumb. Don't want to pack it too tight. Then place them in the 375-degree oven for 9 to 12 minutes. You want to make sure that they are cooked, but not overcooked. If they get overcooked, they can become droopy. You want them firm enough to pick up. And if you start seeing water collect on the pan, you know that they are done. So here are the best stuffed mushrooms. I may have let them cook a little bit longer. I cooked them for 8 minutes, but they were gathering water on the tray and they are a little soft. But we'll go ahead and let my husband do a taste test.
Okay, I'm not really a mushroom type of person. Oh, these are hot. They just come out of the oven?
They did.
Okay.
Supposed to serve immediately.
Well, I'm blowing cheese everywhere. Don't know my own strength. Some interesting spices. Kind of a, I don't know, kind of a Western Mexican flavor or something. I don't know. I don't know how to describe it. I'm not good at describing flavors. I just know what I like. For me, I'm not a mushroom person, but I think these would be kind of a fun finger food for, a side dish or something, or an appetizer. It's not something that I would request every day, but I don't dislike it at all. But I don't think I would put in a special request for this.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.